so excited. I just got this out of the mailbox. I am not in my normal place where I do my videos. I'm out where I take my pictures of my jewelry, but it was the only space that I could get to really quick because I'm actually working. I'm just taking a little short break from the real job to show you what I just got in the mail that I'm so excited. So I follow a lot of beaders, a lot of players, a lot of artists. And there's one artist out there, Sparkle by Monica. I just love her. But she has these amazing wood beading boards. And all I had was, let me show you what I had. I had this beading board, which is the normal board that mostly everybody gets. Let me see if I can bring you to it. So I had this. It's the normal beading board that everybody gets. They get dirty real quick. I had even put some, what was that, tacky on it to make it stick to the glass that I work on top of. I mean, it was very easy to work with, but not really user friendly if you wanted something really heavy. And as you see, it doesn't even have enough pockets in it for all the beads that you would possibly want to deal with for a project, but it worked. It's worked all this time. But when I saw Monica with that beautiful beading board that she has, I wanted to get one, but I wasn't able to get it from the same place she got hers. Hers is actually logoed. It has her logo on it. It is beautiful. And if you want to see it, I'll put her link to her channel down below so that you can go and see the beautiful beading boards that she works with. But I found an Etsy seller that makes beading boards also. And I thought that they were absolutely beautiful. Let me get y'all set up straight a little bit more. Yeah, this is not my normal situation. Hold on. I found an Etsy seller that makes these beading boards also, and I was so excited when it came that I already started to open it. So let me get this part out of your face and I'll come back with the contents. So here we go. Like I said, I started to open it already. So a lot of the contents is out. I didn't open it to look at it, but as I started taking these off, I was like, oh my God, let me share this. So it comes packaged awesomely. I bought 2 at one time, and I'm sure it will come the same if you only bought 1. But as you can see, there was each of one of these on each side. So I took 3 of them off and then I stopped. So let me open them on. I'm so excited for this. So excited for this. And excuse my hands, my nails are terrible. I have something medically going on, so I just put some gloves on to hide my nails. So this is the boards. I'm so excited. Oh, I didn't cut that one open. Look at that. Aren't they amazing? And you hear that? They are real wood. They're made of real wood. And they have them packed very nicely in the packaging. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Can you see the whole thing? Oh, you can't. So that is the beading board. This one is like for bracelets, and I can make my wrap bracelets on here. I have all of those lines down there available to me. I'm going to personalize it and put Nana's BlingzNThingz somewhere on here. But I absolutely love that. Look at the little things they have on it, the flower, and there is the manufacturer, the people who make it, Acclaim Crafts, and they're in Gatlinburg. They are awesome, and they've been making these since 2020, and I just now found them on Etsy. But look at all the pockets for my beads, for my projects. Absolutely beautiful. I just love this board. They also had amazing customer service. They talked to me through Etsy, let me know when it was shipping. They thanked me for my order. They were just some of the nicest people ever. So that one is the one that I got because it was for bracelets. And hold on, I'm opening the other one so I don't have to do it in front of there. This one is the normal, well, I don't know if I say normal, but the beading board, just like the one I showed you, but it was like made out of that plastic. Look at those large pockets for those beads. That continuous loop where I can make like maybe a 20, 30-inch necklace because it's a continuous loop. The measurements are precise and correct on it. And look at all the pockets that I have, the extra pockets that I have on the side and in the middle. Look at that design in the middle of there. Isn't that beautiful? And you can smell the wood. It's like the new car smell. That's how this smells. It's like new wood smell. Oh, I absolutely love it, y'all. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with this, both of these beading boards. And they did put a little card in with it. I haven't opened it, but I'm going to open it now. And this is from Acclaim Crafts. I'm sorry, I hit my camera. Look at that beautiful card. Oh, it's just a thank you card. They are so nice. Oh, it has some extra stuff. So they are from Acclaim Crafts. I think Lori sells jewelry and makes jewelry also, and that's what made these boards come to life, is Lori's need for a decent beading board, because the one that I was showing you was the one that she showed in the video that she was using. But it just says thank you most sincerely for your order. We put our hearts in these boards and things that we make, and we are truly grateful for every time someone buys one, let alone two, because I got two from them. We hope you just love them. With our warmest regards and wishes for your health, happiness, and success, John and Lori. Absolutely beautiful. How often do you get a wonderful handwritten note when you order something? Never. And I'm thinking that these are just, little felt feet that I can put on the back of each of the boards. I am so excited. This is so amazing. Thank you, John and Lori, for your attention to detail, for your ability to make something so nice for the beading community, and it's affordable. And I so appreciate you for that. Acclaim Crafts, if you guys need beading boards, and they have more than these two available. They have one that just has pockets in it for seed beaders. Go to their Etsy store. If you need a beading board, I'm telling you right now, this is quality. This is quality and beauty. Look at that. Quality and beauty. So if you need a beading board, don't hesitate, because they're inexpensive, like I said, made wonderfully. I'm going to enjoy using these boards. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. I hope the video wasn't too rough. Like I said, I'm not in my normal spot, but I had to show these boards. Just absolutely beautiful. All right, y'all. I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.